Hi, Bob Craskey with DCI Products coming to you live from our headquarters in beautiful downtown Clifton Heights today. And we're going to talk about our patented universal tapered end caps. Universal tapered end caps allow you to transition the shingles back down to flat on either side. So you could use them to end a run of SmartVent or US roof vent near a dormer, a valley, a hip, a chimney, or a skylight. They can also be used to create a brow vent anywhere in the field of the roof. The end caps provide a smooth transition from vent to roof deck and minimizing the risk of damaged or cracked shingles. It can be used with SmartVent, US roof vent, and most other EVE intake vents on the market. Here's a great example of a brow vent where you can see on both sides tapered back down to the roof deck. You have your vent right in the middle. So anywhere you need a low profile vent on the roof, think of SmartVent with tapered end caps. If you would like more information or have any questions, call us anytime. We are always here to help.